dear student, this is our question 10 of exercise 10.3. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. What you have to do, students, over here? We have to find the areas by splitting the following figures into rectangles. We have splitting means divide. Okay, so here we have the figure. This figure we didn't have the formula. Okay, with the direct formula we can't find the area of this type of figure. Perimeter we can find because it's the addition of all the sides. But here we have to find the area. It means inside one area we have to find. So what is the condition given? Splitting the following figures into rectangles. It means we have to divide these figures into rectangle. So see, students, how we can divide? You can divide as per your choice also. It's not compulsory what I am going to show over here. Same you have to do. Okay, you can do by your logic. So we have to split. So here we can split. So this one is a rectangle. Here also we can split like this way. Yes, this is also rectangle. Here if you will do, then rectangle. Understood how many rectangles we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, if we will find areas of this rectangle, then after this rectangle, because we know the formula, area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. So this is first rectangle, this one second, this one third and this one fourth. Okay, after finding the area of these all 4 rectangles, we can add. Easily we can get the area of this given figure. Understood, students? Your first step is you have to divide. You have to split the given figure into the rectangles. This is as per your choice. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 rectangle. Now see, students, here it is given 2 and here it is a 4. Okay, this is given in your textbook. For these rectangles, see, for these rectangle. Okay, what is our L and B? So here our L is 1 and B is 2. Here 1 is given, here 2 is given. So here L multiplied by B, it means 1 multiplied by 2. Yes, for this rectangle, what is L and what is B? See, students, give your concentration here. See, for this one standing line, L, what is the L? Till here to here we know it is a 2, but this how much we don't know. Very easy. See over here till here to here it is a 3. So here also here to here 3 only. But this total length is 4. So this much area, it means 4 minus 3. It means 1. So total here to here it is a 3 centimeter. Clear, students? You have to identify it. Is that clear? Why it is a 1 centimeter? Because here to here it is a 3. Same way here to here it is a 3. But total length here till here it is a 4 centimeter. So from we have to subtract the 3 from the 4. It means here 1. This much area is 1. Yes? Clear, student? This one area is 1. That's why here to here it is a 1. So now this is a 3 centimeter. What's about the B? What's about the B? So check over here. This one is a 4 centimeter. Yes? Till here to here 4 centimeter. And this thing extra. This much only. So it is very easy here given it is a 2. Yes. So till here it is a 2. But total is 3. So again it is a 1 centimeter. So 4 plus 1, 5 centimeter. Clear, student? Is that clear? So 3, 4 here, 3 multiplied by 5 for this rectangle. Now this one small. Again it is already given here 2 and this one we find out 1. 2 ones are. 1 is a L and 1 is a B. Now down 1. Here it is a 3, here it is a 3. So 3 multiplied by 3. Is that clear, student? Now we will solve the sum. Okay? We have the figure like this. Now we want to divide into the rectangles. Look at again, students, here. This is our first rectangle. From here to this is our second rectangle. Here this is the third and this one is a 4. Okay, again I repeat, you have to do like this way. Now first rectangle, second, third and fourth. Now for the first rectangle, what is the formula? Right over here, area of rectangle 1 is equal to L multiplied by B. Which one is our L? 1. B 2. 1 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. 1 2s are 2 centimeter square. Clear? Now area of rectangle 2. Area of rectangle 2. Again L multiplied by B. Which one is a L and which one is a B? So see, 4 and plus 1 5, because here to here it is a 3, but total 2 and here it is given 3. Here to here it is a 2, till here to here it is a 3. So this much is 1. Okay, so 4 plus 1, it means 5 and 2, and then over here this much 1. Why? Because here it is given 3. Here to here it is a 3. Till here to here it is a 3. But total is 4. So this much is 1. Same way here it is also 1. Okay. So this one 3 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. 2 plus 1 3. 4 plus 1 5. 3 5s are 15 centimeter square. Then area of rectangle 3. Very easy. 2 here and 1 here. L multiplied by B. Okay. So 1 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. 1 2s are 2 centimeter square. Yes. Now area of rectangle 4. Area of rectangle 4. Here this is a 4. Already given till here to here 3. Okay, and here also it is given 3. So 3 here and 3 here. L multiplied by B. 3 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. See students, why we are writing over here rectangle? If you will write over here square, then it's okay. But in the given question, it is given split into the rectangles. That's why we are writing the rectangle. And if you remember, you learn in your 3rd standard, 4th standard, square is a rectangle. Yes or not? No. Or yes? If you remember the principles of what are the squares and what are the rectangles. Okay. All the squares are rectangle. Yes. But all the rectangles are not square. Okay. So here all the squares are rectangles. 3 multiplied by 3. If you write over here area of square, then you will write over here side multiplied by side, then it is also right. Okay. So now we find the area of all 4 rectangles. Now we have to find the area of given figure. What you have to do? Write area of given figure is equal to area of rectangle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Understood? Area of rectangle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is of 1? 2 centimeter square, 15 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, and then 9 centimeter square. Is that clear? 15 plus 2, 17. 17 and 2, 19. Yes? 15 and 2, 17. 17 and 2, 19. 19 and 9, 28 centimeter square. This one is the area of given figure. So this way students, you have to write in your notebook nicely. This is the art question 10A. Understood? So please students, write nicely in your notebook. Just one thing you have to remember, you have to split given figures into rectangles. Yes? Now see the question number B. Question number B. By splitting the following figures into the rectangle same. So here you can split like this way. This is the one rectangle. This is the 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. See students, this you have to do by yourself. So look at over here properly. This is the one. Okay. This one is the second and this one is the third. Check over here. Here it is a given 3. Here it is given 1. Very easy. For the first rectangle, 3 multiplied by 1. It means 3 centimeter by 1 centimeter. You have to write properly. Just I am giving you an idea. For this one, it is given 3. Yes. Down it is already given 3. Here whole length is given 5. Here to here it is a 5. But we want this much only. Okay. So this is 3. Now for the standing line. Okay. Length. What is the length? So check. Here to here it is a 2. And total is 3. So this one is obviously 1. Again 3 multiplied by 1 for this rectangle. Same like here. This much is 1 and this much is 2. 2 and 1, 3. Because here it is a 3. So here this one is also 3. 3 and 1. Again 3 multiplied by 1. Very easy students. So please try to solve by yourself. Now question number 10. Question number 11. Splitting the following shapes into the rectangle and find the areas. Measures are given in centimeter. It means whatever answer you will get, write centimeter square. Very easy students. You can split like this way. This is the one rectangle and 2. Please try to do by yourself. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. But check students, all are with the 7, 7, 7. Here it is 7, so here also 7, here 7, so 7. Okay, it means all are squares. So you can do how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can solve like this way students. Area of rectangles is equal to L multiplied by B. Okay. Area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. Which one L? First find out. This is a 7 and this one is 7. It means 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter. 7 7s are 49 centimeter square. Is that clear student? Now this is 49 centimeter square. All are equal. Everywhere 49, 49, 49 because all are squares of the same size. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Clear? So better just do. Area of given figure is equal to 5 multiplied by area of rectangle. Okay, 5 multiplied by area of rectangle. Why we multiply with the 5? Because we have the same 5 figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 49 centimeter square. 5 9s are 45. Carrying 4. 5 4s are 20 and 4. 24 centimeter square. This is the area of given figure. Is that clear, students? If you will do the separately, then 7 times you have to do like this way and then you have to add. So better use your logic and do like this way. Okay. Now this also you have to try by yourself. This one is a 1 rectangle, this one 2. Very easy. And see students, question number 12 we are not doing. So please skip it. Okay, and don't consult it for exam. Is that clear? Here our chapter is over. So I hope you will practice nicely and clear your doubts. Thank you, student.